Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says solve the differential equation this. So, look at this how we will approach this question. So, we have dy by dx equals x plus 2y plus 1 upon 2x plus 4y plus 3. Now look at this. So what we should think? Look at the approach. First we will apply the filter of variable separable method. If you'll observe, you cannot apply variable separable method because all x are not together, all y are not together, and both of them are not in product. Okay, so we cannot apply. Now we have first filter of uh, variable separable method, that is dy by dx equals to linear function. So it is not, it is linear by linear. Then we have dy by dx equals to linear by linear. But over there, the sum of coefficient of y from the numerator and the coefficient of denominator, coefficient of x from denominator should sum up to 0, which is failing here. So you cannot apply the second filter. Okay. Now we have the third parametric filter where it was given that if you are observing x dx plus minus y dy, you can apply. Here also you cannot observe that one. Means we cannot apply variable separable method. Then we have studied linear differential equation where we have dy by dx plus p of x into y equals to q of x. We are not observing that. Then we have first filter of linear differential equation which says dy by dx px into y is equal to qx into y power n, which is not available here. Then we have homogeneous differential equation, but over there the power should be same. So here the power of x is 1 1 0 1 1 0. So you cannot think of homogeneous differential equation. Then we have filter for homogeneous differential equation where we have dy by dx equals to linear by linear. Yes, we have linear by linear. So over there what we used to do, we used to replace x with x plus h, y with y plus h, and you know that we have extracted dy by dx is equal to dy by dx. Right hand side small, left hand side big. So look at this. Can I write dy by dx is equal to, now if you'll observe, you can replace x with x plus h. So capital X h. Then plus 2y. Then we have 2k plus 1. Okay. Then we have 2x 2h plus 4y 4k plus 3. You know that we have to put this thing equal to 0, this thing equal to 0. So if you'll observe, h plus 2k plus 1 equals to 0, 2h plus 4k plus 3 equals to 0. You cannot solve this linear equation. Why? Because this line is parallel. Okay, so how we will respond to this kind of question, try to understand in this part. Okay, so this idea is failing over here. Okay, now look at this. So what we will do, look at here, I will write dy by dx is equal to x plus 2y plus 1, and then 2 times x plus 2y plus 3. So what I will do, for time being I will consider, let z equals to x plus 2y. Now do the differentiation. So we have dz by dx 1 minus 1 plus 2 dy by dx. Okay, now you can do the replacements. So we are having 1 by 2 dz by dx minus 1 is equal to z plus 1 and 2z plus 3. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Okay. Now look at this how I will manipulate things. So we will be writing dz by dx minus 1 is equal to 2z plus 2 upon 2z plus 3. Now we will send this 1 to that side. So we have dz by dx equals to 2z plus 2 plus 2z plus 3, 2z plus 3. Now we can write down this thing as 4z plus 5 upon 2z plus 3. Now what we should do? We will apply variable separable method because you have all x together and all z together. So we can write 2z plus 3 upon 4z plus 5 dz equals to dx. Okay, now do the integration. So how we will respond, try to understand. We will break down this question into two questions. So we have a 2z integration of 4z plus 5 dz plus 3 times dz by 4z plus 5. Okay, now is equal to dx. Now what I will do, I will assume 4z plus 5 as t. So we will differentiate with respect to z. So we got 4 dt by dz. Okay, now look at this. Can I write this thing as, we have 4z look at this. So can I write in place of 2z? Okay, in place of 2z I'll multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So it is 1 by 2, this is 4z. So in place of 4z, can I write t minus 5 by t, and then in place of dz, can I write dt by 4? So it will become 8. Okay, now plus, we will consider this as 3. Then in place of dz, I'll be writing dt by 4 t equals to x plus c. Okay, now look at this. Can I write 1 by 8? This t by t will become 1. So differential integration of 1 will become t minus 5 by 8 log t. Then 3 by 4 log t is equal to x plus c. Now you have to replace this t. Who is t? T is 4z plus 5 by 8. This is for first part. 5 by 8 log 4z plus 5 plus 3 by 4 log 4z plus 5 is equal to x plus c. Okay, now you know that they have given you question in terms of x and y, not in z. So who was z? So z we have considered as x plus 2y. So replace this z with x plus 2y. Wait a moment. So z was x plus 2y. So 4z we can write as 4x plus 8y. So the place where you are observing 4z, replace it with 4x plus 8y. So we have 4x plus 8y plus 5 by 8 minus 5 by 8 log 4x 8y 5, then 3 by 4 log 4x 8y 5 is equal to x plus c. So this is the final result. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.